Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall application on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you some methods to uninstall application from your Android mobile phone. The first method I'm going to show you is uninstalling application from the setting. So you can go to your settings on your Android mobile phone, and then you're going to go to the app setting. You can scroll down to find the apps menu or app setting, this one, and then you just need to choose the application you want to uninstall. Wait, it's still loading. Okay, let's say I'm going to uninstall my CapCut application. So I just need to click on the CapCut, and then we're going to click on uninstall. And after you click on this uninstall option, the application will be removed from your Android mobile phone. Okay, this is for the first method. And then the second method, you can uninstall application from your Google Play Store. So go to your Play Store application, and then you're going to search for the application you want to uninstall. For example, if you want to uninstall CapCut, just search for CapCut here, and then you can click on uninstall right here. Okay, or you can go to your profile on Play Store. I'm going to open up my profile, and then we can click on manage apps and device. Okay, then you can click on manage here and select the application you want to uninstall. Then you can click on this icon to remove the application from your Android mobile phone. Okay, and then for the last method, you can go back to the app screen. Wait, you can go back to the app screen, and then you can uninstall the application from here, just like the application you want to uninstall from your Android mobile phone. And I'm going to select CapCut, for example. We can tap and hold on the application we want to uninstall, and then we can simply click on uninstall. Okay, this method is very easy, and I think this method is the easiest way to uninstall application on Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to uninstall application on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!